financial markets and financial products. A very warm welcome to all you guys. I'm so sorry I'm a bit late to the stream. Thoda sa because of my personal reasons I've started the stream late, but probably I might end up the stream also a little bit late, so that's very much okay. So how's everything going on? Dubai, UK, US, जहाँ से आप लोग people who join these streams, I know all of you are joining the streams for various reasons, and I really want to know any of you whoever joins it. मैं आप लोग से काफ़ी पूछती रहती हूँ कि please let me know what you guys are planning to do, like because the thing is you guys are not understanding. Sometimes I just do chit chat. मैं थोड़ी सी कभी कभी I just have some fun time and I just leave from this thing, like मतलब मैं combination रखती हूँ in my streams, like maybe a little bit of news, a little of क्या कहते हैं ना, थोड़ा मार्केट ओवरव्यू, थोड़ा प्रोजेक्ट्स पे डिस्कस करती हूँ, थोड़ा टेक्निकल एनालिसिस पे डिस्कस करती हूँ. बट अगर स्पेसिफिक कोई प्रोजेक्ट होगा फॉर एनीथिंग, एनी रीजन, यू गाइज कैन एक्चुअली लेट मी नो अबाउट इट. सो हाई नासिर फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन आफ्टर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. यू जॉइंड द सेशन. गुड टू सी यू. एक्चुअली मैं समझ रही थी कि बेसिकली आप मतलब ऐसे गायब हो गई, आप तो मतलब दिखाई नहीं दिए इतने टाइम से ना, कि यू वर लाइक माई रेगुलर व्यूअर. काफी टाइम से आप दिख नहीं रहे थे. क्या हुआ था? इज एवरीथिंग ओके विथ यू एंड योर लाइफ? काफी टाइम से आप ऑनलाइन दिख नहीं रहे थे. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन दो. और नासिर जी, मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं, जीबिट ऑफिशियल, बेसिकली जीबिट ऐप हमारे प्ले स्टोर पे अभी अवेलेबल है. मैं आप सबके साथ अपना बेसिकली रेफरल लिंक और कोड शेयर कर रही हूँ. ये मेरा, इस लिंक को यूज करके आप लोग रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं ऑन जीबिट. तो रजिस्टर कर ले, यूज माय रेफरल कोड एंड बेसिकली यूटिलाइज दिस प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर स्पॉट एंड फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडिंग. अगर आप लोग में से जो है ना कोई भी स्पॉट और फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडिंग करता हो तो यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो गाइज, एनीबडी प्लीज ज्वाइन दिस. जीबिट इज अवेलेबल ऑन प्ले स्टोर. तो आप उस पर जाकर बेसिकली जीबिट को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. सो प्लीज मेक यूज ऑफ इट एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सी. अभी जीबिट का मैं आपको लोगो बताती हूँ. वो मेरा आप अगर वो मेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक यूज करके आप लॉग इन करेंगे तो फिर जस्ट अ सेक, 1 सेकेंड, मैं आपको अभी दिखाती हूँ. So guys, you can see that Zbit platform is live. Okay, Zbit is live. So इसका थोड़ा सा logo is almost more or less similar to Binance, so don't get confused. Zbit is live on the platform on the Play Store. मैंने अपना रेफरल लिंक आप लोग के यहाँ भेजा है. I have sent it. आप लोग ये रेफरल लिंक और रेफरल कोड यूज करके जीबिट पे लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. दिस इज माई लिंक एंड दिस इज माई कोड. तो जब आप रजिस्टर करें तो ये बेसिकली लिंक और ये कोड इस्तेमाल करके आप इस पर लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. और आप इस पे रजिस्टर करने के बाद मुझे बताएं. If any of you have joined through my referral link, don't forget to share the screenshot with me. I will share the Cheezybit customer care number. मतलब मैं आपके साथ एक WhatsApp नंबर शेयर करूंगी जिस पर आप लोग मुझे आपने रजिस्टर कर लिया हो तो आप मुझे उसका वो भेज सकते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, you can send me the screenshot for it. Just a sec, I'm going to send you my number. God, just a sec. काफी गर्मी है ना यार. मतलब गाइज, वेयर आर यू ऑल फ्रॉम? यहाँ दुबई में तो मतलब तबीयत इतनी खराब होती है ना धूप से, तो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग क्रेजी एक्चुअली. हाउ इज़ वेदर इन योर प्लेस, हाउ इज़ वेदर इन योर कंट्री, जहाँ से भी आप लोग ज्वाइन करते हो। ओके, मैं आपको रेफरल लिंक मैं आपको नंबर दे रही हूँ, सॉरी। आप लोग रजिस्टर कर लोगे तो यू कैन सेंड मी अ स्क्रीनशॉट सो दैट आई नो हु इज़ रजिस्टरिंग हु इज़ नॉट। मुझे पता रहेगा। ये चीज़ी बिट का व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, तो इस पर आप लोग मुझे मैसेज करके बता सकते हो, आई मीन स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर बता सकते हो कि आपने रजिस्टर कर लिया है। तो आई विल गेट इन टच विथ यू ऑन दैट नंबर इन केस यू गाइज आर सेंडिंग मी द स्क्रीनशॉट्स कि आपने उस पर रजिस्टर किया है। अभी फिलहाल के लिए देयर इज ओनली स्पॉट एंड फ्यूचर्स ऑप्शन अवेलेबल ऑन दैट प्लेटफॉर्म। प्रोबेबली गोइंग फॉरवर्ड यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स कमिंग ऑन इट। अभी के लिए तो सिर्फ एक दो ऑप्शन ही अवेलेबल है, सो प्लीज यूटिलाइज दैट एंड रजिस्टर इट यूजिंग माई लिंक एंड माई रेफरल कोड। मैं बार बार रिआइट्रेट कर रही हूँ गाइज, एंड आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू सेंड मी द स्क्रीनशॉट वंस यू रजिस्टर इट। ओके, जीबिट का आप लोग को शायद यू नो द लोगो, राइट? जीबिट इज लाइक दिस। जीबिट का बेसिकली लोगो इस तरीके का लगता है। तो जीबिट इज लाइव अवेलेबल ऑन प्ले स्टोर। प्ले स्टोर पे आप जाकर यू पुट, यहाँ पर सर्च में आप जीबिट डालेंगे, so you'll find it here in the play store, Zbit इधर, and you can download it from here. okay, क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड है तो सिर्फ मैं इसको ओपन करूंगी and this is how it looks like. so you can see how this looks like. तो Zbit पे काफ़ी कुछ चेंज होता रहता है। तो our interface looks like this and it's very easy to use and it's very user friendly. काफ़ी user friendly फीचर्स हैं। अभी मार्केट्स में बेसिकली आप सिर्फ देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे, आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक थोड़ी लाइटिंग की प्रॉब्लम है। स्पॉट और फ्यूचर्स अवेलेबल हैं, पर आप एज वी गो अबाउट, अभी जो क्रिप्टो करेंसी जो अवेलेबल है इसमें वो सब आपको यहाँ पर दिखेगी। रेंडर, टिया, ARB, एल्गो, ENS, मतलब शायद जैसे दूसरे वाले जो वेल एस्टैब्लिश प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं लाइक मे बी बाइनेंस, क्रैकन, OKX, वो जहाँ पे बहुत थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसीज अवेलेबल है, शायद आपको वो उतनी सारी लिस्ट ना नजर आए। बट यस, मेजर टॉप क्रिप्टो करेंसीज आर अवेलेबल हियर, जैसे बिटकॉइन हो गई, इथीरियम हो गई, XRP होगी, सोलाना हो गई, कार्डानो, डोज, TRX, शीबा, लिंक, टॉन, BNB, INJ, XLM, AVAX, HBAR, BCH डॉट, मतलब काफी जो वेल एस्टेब्लिश दिस थिंग आर अवेलेबल ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. सो यू गो गेट योर Zbit registered and start trading into it. If you find anything difficult, we are there at every stage to help you out. The first and foremost step, which I always reiterate in my sessions, is like you have to basically first register using your email address. Once you register, I have sent you the registration link. वो link और मेरा code use करके आप login कर सकते हैं. Once you log in, you can basically start adding funds to it. Top corner में आपने left पे, I think you would have seen this thing. यहाँ पर एक मिनट मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. On this corner you can see कि यहाँ पर balance का एक option है. Using this balance option you can actually go and add funds to it, यानी अपनी fiat currency आप यहाँ पर add कर सकते हैं और add करके आप basically अपनी ट्रेडिंग जर्नी शुरू कर सकते हैं. गाइज, आई नो सम ऑफ यू आर जस्ट इनिशियल बिगनर्स एंड जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, इंडस्ट्री. स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग और फ्यूचर्स ट्रेडिंग माइट नॉट बी द कप ऑफ टी फॉर यू ऑल, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आपको अगर अपनी जर्नी जस्ट पैसिव इनकम से भी स्टार्ट करनी हो तो उस पर आपको एक रेफर अ फ्रेंड का ऑप्शन मिलेगा, जहां पर आप रेफर अ फ्रेंड के थ्रू बेसिकली यू कैन मेक पैसिव वे ऑफ इनकम. यानी आप जितने फ्रेंड्स फैमिली को ये लिंक शेयर करेंगे, जो मेरी रेफरल लिंक है, उससे बेसिकली आपको कमीशन मिलेगा और आपको लाइक you can go to that option in refer a friend and you can recommend people with your own link too, और आप भी उससे कमीशन यानी इन USDT टर्म्स कमा सकते हो. So do that part and let's begin our journey. Yeah. What's happening with all the cryptocurrencies? Okay, Bitcoin has come back to 108,962, Ethereum at 2732. Ethereum भी I think almost more or less अपनी जगह पर वापस आ गई है. BNB $660, 0.5 सब लोग पॉजिटिव में दिख रहे हैं. Solana also at 1.75%, XRP at 0.67%. Okay. Let's see one by one, okay, what's happening on all the fronts. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से BNB को ना एनालाइज करना चाहती थी and I want to do it today maybe because I was not getting every time I just end up doing either Ethereum, Solana और XRP only. थोड़ा BNB की तरफ भी देखते हैं कि what's happening on that front, right? BNB as a token, what is it? What BNB आप लोग को पता ही होगा कि बाइनेंस का टोकन है. बाइनेंस बीइंग वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट क्रिप्टो एक्सचेंजेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. अभी उसने इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब एक्सेप्टेंस गेन कर ली है एंड आई थिंक मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पीपल दे लव ट्रेडिंग ऑन बाइनेंस बिकॉज इस यूजर मतलब उसका इंटरफेस भी बहुत अच्छा है. अभी जीबेट के लॉन्च होने से पहले मैं खुद बाइनेंस को पर्सनली यूज करती थी. इनफैक्ट अभी भी यूज करती हूँ साइमल्टेनियसली. तो आई कैन वाउच एंड टेल के काफी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है इन टर्म्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल द फीचर्स. बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ सब कुछ उसने ऑफर कर रखा है. वहां पर आपको पैसिव वेज ऑफ इनकम भी बनाने के बहुत अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड आई थिंक all the features and the things that you see it on that platform, you're going to see the same things even on our platform, but that will come step by step, so don't worry. abhi to just launch hua hai hamara platform, so you'll have lot more things coming on that, so don't worry. We are there at every step to help you, guide you. agar aap trading nahi bhi karna chahte aur passive ways se aap income banana chahte hain to you have ample opportunity to do so, and we will offer you all of that, but give us some time and we will do that. So BNB like I was saying के as per coin market cap उसको नंबर 5 रैंकिंग दी गई है as per coin market cap. तो जो लोग क्रिप्टो करेंसी से डील करते हैं या फिर आप लोग पहली बार ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ रहे हो और आपको क्रिप्टो करेंसी की मतलब जीरो नॉलेज है, तो मैं उन लोगों को ये बता दूं कि कॉइन मार्केट कैप एक ऐसी रिलायबल रिसोर्स है जहां पर आपको क्रिप्टो से रिलेटेड सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है. यू विल बी एबल टू गेट all the major cryptocurrencies prices, its history, its डेवलपमेंट्स, उसकी टीम के रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन, सारी की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर मिल जाएगी और यहाँ पर आपको काफी कुछ देखने को मिल जाएगा. तो दिस पर्टिकुलर वन स्टॉप प्लेटफॉर्म इज एवरीथिंग दैट यू नीड टू नो अबाउट क्रिप्टो करेंसीज. तो अभी आप देख रहे हो कि मैक्सिमम सप्लाई में इसकी कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन तो है नहीं, पर ये वॉल्यूम मार्केट कैप 1.9% पे बता रहा है. टोटल सप्लाईज की 140.88 मिलियन बीएनबी और सर्कुलेटिंग सप्लाईज की 140.88 मिलियन बीएनबी. एफडीवी 93.87 बिलियन, वॉल्यूम 1.79 बिलियन. काफी अच्छा साइज का वो है ना. तो लेट्स सी, बीएनबी की वेबसाइट पे भी जाते हैं, थोड़ी न्यूज भी देखेंगे इसके बारे में, कहाँ से इसकी जर्नी बिगिन हुई थी, कौन इन चीजों के पीछे है. लाइक ऑल दोज थिंग्स आर समथिंग विच वी विल बी कवरिंग अप इन माई सेशन थ्रू आउट. सो मे बी इन बिटवीन मैं शायद थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल एनालिसिस भी करूं, थोड़े फन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए. वी माइट एज वेल हैव सम गेम्स और थिंग्स लाइक दैट टू काइंड ऑफ लाइक लिटिल cheer up एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो हम देखेंगे क्या क्या कर सकते हैं ना. अभी 4 घंटे हमको साथ में जुड़े रहना है, तो विल हैव लॉट मोर फन कमिंग अप. तो चलिए क्विकली देखते हैं. BNB chain significantly reduces transaction fees by 90% to 0.003, enhancing affordability for decentralized application, NFTs and DeFi project. तो अभी आप लोग सोचोगे कि बीएनबी चेन क्या है, तो बीएनबी एक पहले टोकन की तरह उसने मतलब उसने इट टुक बर्थ लाइक अ टोकन, मतलब बीएनबी बेसिकली वाज अ बाइनेंस टोकन जो एक इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, लेकिन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इन लोगों ने अपनी खुद की एक ब्लॉकचेन टेक्नोलॉजी बना ली है जिसका नाम बीएनबी चेन जिसको बोलते हैं। तो वो बीएनबी चेन बेसिकली बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इफेक्टिव है और बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी स्पीड, ट्रांजैक्शन फीस वो सारी बहुत कम है और उसकी ट्रांजैक्शन फीस काफ़ी reduced है, which it states like 90% by 0.003. So in the last 24 hours BNB's price moved to 1.24% to $65 and trading volume moved 21.01% to 1.71 billion. BNB chain's massive 12.5 trillion DApp transactions under score its pivotal role across DeFi, NFTs, and blockchain gaming sectors. In the last 24 hours, BNB price minus 0.05% to $65 and trading volume moved to 0.22% to 1.41 billion US dollar. तो ये बेसिकली इसके रिलेटेड हमको ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है। बीएनबी विटनेसेस अ रिसर्जेंस लिंक टू इंक्रीज्ड इंस्टीट्यूशनल इंटरेस्ट ड्यू टू वैनेक्स स्पॉट ETF फाइलिंग द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ AI टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड फेवरेबल लीगल डेवलपमेंट्स। इन द लास्ट 24 hours BNB price moved 0.31% to $65 and trading volume moved minus 11.55% to 1.41 billion US dollars. तो PancakeSwap launches one-click cross-chain swaps to simplify DeFi UX. PancakeSwap introduces cross-chain swaps with a cross protocol. PancakeSwap launches instant cross-chain swaps to cross Binance to end support for selected tokens transfers on BNB Smart Chain. Ripple announces Ethereum-compatible XRP sidechain for Q2 2025 mainnet debut. Okay. चलिए इसकी थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ देखते हैं. ओके, व्हाट इज बीएनबी? तो लाइक यू कैन सी कि बीएनबी वाज लॉन्च्ड इन जुलाई 2017. Binance is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange globally based on daily trading volume. Binance aims to bring cryptocurrency exchanges to the forefront of financial activity globally. The idea behind Binance's name is to show new paradigm in global finance, binary finance, or Binance. Aside from being the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, Binance has launched a whole ecosystem of functionality for its users. The Binance network includes the Binance Chains, Binance Smart Chain, Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, and research projects, which all employ the powers of blockchain technology to bring new age finance to the world. BNB is an integral part of the successful functioning of many of the Binance sub-projects. Okay. Who are the founders of BNB? So we know that CZ is the founder of Binance, founder and CEO of Binance. In 2001, Zhao joined Bloomberg as head of Tradebook Futures Development. He spent 4 years with the company and later joined Fusion Systems as a partner. हमने काफी videos देखे I think on CZ, right? So we know a bit of his history, from where he's coming and how inspiring he is as a personality. So I really like that guy so much. He has so definitely coming from a totally like, I mean, of course he was into something similar background, but then the kind of thing that he has developed, the kind of things that he has brought, and especially right now whatever he is working on, all the kind of projects, I think it's like commendable definitely. So since 2013, CZ has been actively involved with blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. He became head of development at blockchain, and in 2015 he founded BG Tech. In 2017, Zhao officially launched Binance, and he has been the CEO of the company ever since. He is a co-founder and chief marketing officer at Binance. She started her career as a TV anchor and presenter on China Travel TV in 2012. Later in 2014, he co-founded OKCoin, which was the largest flat to crypto exchange in China at that time. In 2017, she joined forces with CZ, and together they created the largest crypto exchange globally. Okay, what makes BNB unique? Binance is a unique ecosystem of decentralized blockchain based networks. The company has grown to be the leading crypto exchange in a number of countries, and their side organizations are attracting significant interest as well. One of the biggest competitive advantage Binance has its drive for development. While the company started only as a crypto exchange back in 2017. Today, Binance has spread its services among numerous different spheres. According to the company website, its mission to become the infrastructure services provider for the entire blockchain system. Since launching the BNB, the exchange has also benefited from increased investor interest in the coin. BNB went through a significant price increase at the beginning of 2021, which has put it on the map of enterprise investors. Measures like BEP 95 have upgraded the already deflationary tokenomics to make BNB even more deflationary. Following the proposal, gas fees on Binance Smart Chain have become even lower as the network bumps as a part of the fees to decentralize further. The proposal was modeled after Ethereum's famous EIP 1559. This has helped Binance overcome several exploits of protocols on BSC, such as 200 million exploit of Pancake Bunny and several hacks of Cream Finance. Despite these hacks, users return to Binance for its low fees and the abundance of lucrative meme coins in its ecosystem. What is BNB's auto burn? So within the cryptocurrency, a coin burn is a deflationary mechanism that is used to permanently remove coins from circulation. Most cryptocurrency projects, including Binance, periodically burn coins to sustain the value of their digital asset and create a deflationary effect. Okay, in the case of Binance, the crypto exchange began the program in late 2017 and has so far burned over 38 million tokens. Via its quarterly burn to date, the crypto exchange has in mind to destroy up to 100 million BNB tokens through its quarterly burns, accounting for 50% of its circulating supply. ये रहा BNB चेन. इसकी वेबसाइट में बोल रही थी ना आप लोग को. So this is how the BNB chain platform looks like. So you have everything here. यहाँ पे इसके सारे जो BNB Smart Chain, Greenfield, OP, BNB, डाउनलोड वॉलेट, विकेट BNB, स्टेक BNB, सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. पार्टिसिपेट, अबाउट, सुना है मोहब्बत के तकदीर में लिखे हैं धड़कने, तभी आज शायद सितारे चलो थोड़ा सा तो how many BNBs are there in the circulation? So there is an initial maximum supply of 200 billion BNB coins, of which 168 million are currently in circulation as of September 2021. Binance conducts quarterly burning of the BNB supply with the goal of reducing the total supply by half. तो हर क्रिप्टो करेंसी में तो बर्निंग, आई थिंक नॉट एवरीबडी ऑफर्स दैट, आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट विथ फ्यू ऑफ देम. तो what else, which other currencies basically burns their crypto? We need to check, थोड़ा सा देखेंगे मे बी. Ethereum does it. So Shiba Inu also does it. Terra Classic, LUNC. Ripple also does it. Stellar does it. VeChain, Tron. So all these cryptocurrencies, they burn their token, and quarterly burn based on trading volume and also on auto burn mechanism. So it reduces total supply from 200 million to 100 million. So BNB uses a real-time burning mechanism alongside quarterly auto burns. Okay, so along with BNB, this is what they do. These are all the different cryptocurrencies. Basically, BNB, Ethereum, Shiba, Terra, Ripple, Stellar, VeChain, Tron. Okay, how many BNB are there in the circulation? सो BNB को अगर आपको खरीदना होगा तो यू एज अ डेडिकेटेड यूटिलिटी टोकन ऑफ द बाइनेंस एक्सचेंज, द मोस्ट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वे टू एक्वायर BNB to coins would be to purchase them through Binance. Okay, the original exchange supports the largest variety of trading pairs with BNB, and it also has best trading rates for the coin. Okay. Oh my god, I'm juggling between so many things at one point in time. Look at this. This cryptocurrency doesn't stop me, like, it doesn't stop me from any kind of shock or excitement, right? मैं 5 minutes में डिपेंड करता है नासिर. आई यूज डिफरेंट टाइम फ्रेम्स. सो समटाइम्स आई एम यूजिंग 5 minutes, समटाइम्स आई यूज 30 minutes, समटाइम्स आई यूज 50 minutes. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स. एक्चुअली क्या होता है ना कि कभी कभी लाइक इन ऑर्डर टू टेक अ कंफर्मेशन, जैसा अगर मैं बाइंग पोजीशन लेने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ तो कभी कभी फिबोनाची लगाने के बाद बेसिकली मुझे कुछ सही पोजीशन मिलती हुई नज़र नहीं आ रही, या मुझे कुछ थोड़ा सा स्टिल डाउट है ना, तो मैं RSI डाइवर्जेंस ये वो जब इस्तेमाल करती हूँ ना, तो फिर आई लाइक टू कीप इट. ओ माय गॉड, लुक एट द मूव्स गाइज. तो मैं डिपेंड करता है कि मैं ना फिर उसको अलग अलग टाइम फ्रेम्स पर उसको मेजर करती हूँ. ये देखो, कितने परसेंट का मूव है ये? 1.79, 1.79, नो, एक मिनट, यहाँ से मैं मेजर करूँ तो दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1.86% का मूव. There's a major मतलब यहाँ पर ऑलमोस्ट डब्ल्यू फॉर्म हुआ है, राइट? इट्स नॉट, जस्ट अ सेकंड, मुझे दूसरे वाले इस पे देखने दो. नो, आई वांट टू क्लोज दिस. मुझे इसके ऊपर व्हाट आई हैव टू पुट, आई वांट टू पुट अनदर इंडिकेटर. मैं यहाँ पर फिबोनाची और मैं यहाँ पर फिबोनाची इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ विथ MACD. तो आई कैन सी के MACD के हिसाब से तो बेसिकली MACD इज ट्राइंग टू रीच दी बुलिश टेरिटरी, जिसकी बेसिस पे लगता है कि अपवर्ड ट्रेंड में जाएगा. मैं इस वाले पेज पर RSI ओपन करती हूँ. आई डोंट नो इफ इट अलाउ मी, क्योंकि एक टाइम में वो काफ़ी इंडिकेटर्स यूज़ करने नहीं देता है. सो while I was talking about BNB, मैं वो बार बार मतलब मैं वो टॉपिक पे भी आऊँगी. Let's just see what are the price predictions for SUI. कुछ सो आज 11th of June है. Expected stable at 3.5, essentially no move, 0% change. Tomorrow being 13th June का है, कल 12 जून है. तो आज काफ़ी बार 3.5 को रीच करके वो वापस उसकी तरफ हो रही है ना, सुबह से ऑलमोस्ट। तो अगर ये 3.5 का मोमेंटम होल्ड कर लेती है तो फिर 3.7 पे रीच करने के लिए काफ़ी करीब में आ जाएगी वो। 3.8 को छू सकती है। और कुछ प्रिडिक्शंस है फॉर कॉइनपीडिया एक अच्छा रिलायबल रिसोर्स है डेफिनेटली। तो सुई के प्राइस it can climb 7.32% weekly, riding on ETF optimism and robust on-chain growth. Open interest in derivatives volume rise reflecting increased trader confidence. Key resistance at 3.80 inside, potential to test 4.20 if momentum sustains. तो आप लोगों को तो पता ही है कि जो है ना कि सॉरी कॉइनपीडिया एक रिलायबल रिसोर्स है। तो मैं आप लोग को जो भी क्रिप्टो के बारे में हम लोग एनालाइज करते हैं उसके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ तो कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन बताती रहती हूँ, और प्राइस प्रेडिक्शंस के बारे में भी। तो कॉइनपीडिया के हिसाब से बेसिकली अगर आज की तारीख में अगर दिस 3.50 विच इज द रेजिस्टेंस लेवल विच सुई इज होल्डिंग, लाइक मतलब अभी वो काफी बार टच कर रही है, वापस नीचे की तरफ पहुंच रही है ना। तो अगर वो होल्ड कर लेती है तो फिर पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इट कैन रैली टू 3.80 विच इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल। एंड इफ इट होल्ड्स टू 3.80 देन वहां से अप टू 4.2 तक वो टेस्ट करने के लिए sustain कर सकती है. That is what they are saying, that SUI price has been riding a bullish wave this week. A major catalyst for this upswing in the US SEC's acknowledgement of the Nasdaq filing to list the 21 Shores ETF. If approved, this ETF could unlock 300 million in capital inflow, drastically reshaping Sui's market dynamics. तो ETF एक पेंडिंग है. 21 शेयर्स आपको पता ही है कि एक एक्सचेंज प्लेटफॉर्म मतलब है जहां पे वो लोग दे आर प्लानिंग टू गेट दिस ETF अप्रूव्ड. सो साइमल्टेनियसली इकोसिस्टम डेवलपमेंट्स कंटिन्यू टू बूस्ट इन्वेस्टर कॉन्फिडेंस, क्योंकि सुई एक ऐसा क्रिप्टो करेंसी है जहां पर इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स इतनी ज्यादा होती हैं और इतनी अडॉप्शन होती रहती है. इसीलिए आप देख सकते हो कि जो भी मूव्स होते हैं ना वो काफी बड़े बड़े होते हैं. इट्स नॉट वेरी स्मॉल. मतलब रिटेल में आप क्या ही मूवमेंट देख सकते हो, राइट. ये जो बड़े बड़े वेल टाइप के मूवमेंट होते हैं वो यूजली दैट इज बिकॉज इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ बैक सपोर्ट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो अभी नास्डैक फाइलिंग टू लिस्ट दी 21 शेयर्स सुई ETF. तो 21 शेयर्स is planning to get सुई का ETF approved. तो अगर वो सब कुछ हो जाता है तो सुई के मार्केट डायनामिक्स अच्छे होने के काफी चांसेस बन जाते हैं, जिसकी वजह से अगर इंस्टीट्यूशनल अडॉप्शन होगा तो प्राइसेस विल कंटिन्यू टू सर्च. साइमल्टेनियसली इकोसिस्टम डेवलपमेंट्स कंटिन्यू टू बूस्ट investor confidence. DeFi protocol CETAS has relaunched on SUI after addressing vulnerabilities linked to a prior 220 million exploit, reinforcing the network's commitment to security and liquidity. Amidst the bullish momentum, all eyes are now on whether SUI can capitalize on this trend and break past its major resistance. Strong on-chain metrics define narrative. On-chain data supports the ongoing price rally, heightened trader activity, and institutional attention. So, according to CoinGlass, derivatives trading volume for SUI has surged to 6.44% to hit 5.16 billion US dollars successfully. The open interest has surged to 3.5% to 1.52 billion. 1.52 billion, suggesting an influx of fresh capital and investor conviction. On the other hand, the total DEX volume has now surpassed the massive 100 billion mark. So now the prediction is like, as will it reach $4.2? That is what the question is. So SUI has been rebounding from its recent dip and is now challenging key levels. So the price is currently trading above the 9-day simple moving average of $3.26. The volume has surged over 10% in 24 hours to 1.04 billion. signaling growing buying interest. So if the price is continuing to sustain the 3.5 benchmark, it will continue to reach, like it could break up to 3.80. I think from morning it's more or less like, near to 3.5. So most probably we might see that it might reach. So let's just hope if this 21 shares ETF on Nasdaq filing and whatever is in the pipeline happens for it quickly, so that we can see some kind of growth in this aspect, guys. I always keep reiterating to each one of you out there that मतलब ना there's no ending to this, because ये projects इतने ज़्यादा potentially good है, strong है. तो कभी कभी of course हमेशा अच्छा दिन तो हो नहीं सकता. अगर किसी दिन बुरा दिन भी चल रहा हो तो उसको मतलब पैनिक सेलिंग में कभी भी सेल नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड इफ यू गेट द चांस एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, डू होल्ड इट. इवन इफ if you have to hold it for quite some time, it's okay, but you can hold it for some time and then you can think of discarding it only when you can get some kind of profits out there. So there's nothing wrong in it. एक मिनट, मैं थोड़ा सा just a sec, guys. Okay. So the 4.117 level remains a major resistance zone. A daily candle close above this level is needed to confirm a breakout towards a new all-time high. Until resistance is broken, SUI may retest lower support zone. The 2.7822 to 2.3664 range is seen as a strong demand zone supported by a 3D fair value gap. SUI's TVL surpasses 2.08 billion and DEX volume hit 304 million. Daily in Q1, social 5D apps like RECRD and Fan TV are driving user growth, with DAUs reaching 1 million on some platforms. So SUI 3.49 has emerged as a closely watched altcoin. As we enter June 2025, investors are evaluating whether SUI can sustain its recovery and potentially rally further this month amid a mix of potential positive project development and macroeconomic activities. So its fundamental strength and recent developments. Recent developments: in August 2024, the network achieved a major technical milestone by deploying its new Mysticity consensus protocol on mainnet, cutting transaction finality to an astonishing 390 million seconds. This upgrade and 80% latency reduction over SUI's original consensus established SUI as one of the fastest blockchain in the industry. In early 2025, SUI rolled out Mysticity V2 further, refining its parallelized consensus to speed up transaction confirmation times for DeFi, gaming, and other high throughput use cases. These advancements underscore SUI's core value proposition, industry leading speed and scalability as a foundation for a Web3 ecosystem. So I think beyond raw performance, SUI is positioning itself as a comprehensive platform with the out-of-the-box infrastructure for developers. Recent protocol upgrades has highlighted the modular approach. So deep book 3:1 Sui's native on-chain order book and shared liquidity engine was upgraded to provide permissionless liquidity pools, lower fees, and flexible fees payments. So decentralized apps can tap into readily available liquidity instead of bootstrapping from scratch. Scion, a next generation networking protocol, is in progress to enhance SUI's resilience. It ensures validators can communicate securely under DDoS attacks or internet outages, helping keep the chain online during critical periods. Walrus, a blockchain-based storage solution, launched its mainnet in late March 2025, rapidly onboarding data within weeks. 17.5% of Walrus 4 petabyte capacity 725 TB was filled as external projects integrated. So fundamental strength, these technical updates reflect a fast evolving platform that is addressing prior limitations, throughput, storage, privacy, usability in an integrated fashion. No discussion of fundamentals is completed without noting challenges. In May 2025, SUI faced a significant security incident. A hacker exploited a vulnerability in CETA's protocol. SUI stopped decentralized exchange, draining over 220 million from its liquidity pool. The attack on May 22nd disrupted SUI's bullish price momentum and caused a sharp dip. However, the community and SUI Foundation responded swiftly. The network froze the attacker's wallet with 160 million of total assets and organized a compensation plan. So, despite of this temporary setback, SUI's price has rebounded after the hacker's confidence has gradually increased, and ecosystem and adoption is seen everywhere. There is a lot of activity that's happening, especially with 221 shares getting its ETF approved and so many other things that are happening. So with all these things happening in the background, I think it's time for SUI to again take back its good momentum. Let's just hope that today, if it retains the power, it retains the price level of 3.50, then it might surge till 3.80, and let's just hope that it will rally till the levels that we are talking about. So of course, once the ETF gets approved, there will be a lot of the demand for it can go significantly high, so we might see something happening on its front. So let's see. let's watch the market for some time, and also I want to just play a game for some time. I'm getting a bit of headache. Probably I might not be able to talk much. So let's just have some fun, and then maybe I'll come back to the topics all over again. I know आज थोड़ा सा ऑफ मतलब ना अजीब सा चल रहा है मामला ना कि मैं टॉपिक्स कभी ऑफ हो जा रही हूँ, कभी कोई टॉपिक में चली जा रही हूँ, पर व्हाट टू डू, माई हेड इज स्पिनिंग वे टू मच. तो एनीवेज, why is it not taking me back? फिर से गलत हो गया. Mm, यार मुझे गेम खेलने नहीं आ रही, क्या करूं? This level is crazy. It's making me crazy. I don't know what should I do. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या
Looking
करूं.
for investment ideas? Get inspired by investors worldwide on eToro. Just choose your investors and copy their investment portfolio. Be the investor you want to be. Join eToro today.
What should I do? Give me a hint. Oh, finally I got it. I was thinking I'm going to lose. Not bad.
تعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات. تعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي من
Oh, finally I'm in 30th level right now. Hi, Hyder Ali. Thanks for joining in. Thank you for joining into the stream. Where are you from? What do you do? Please tell us something about yourself. And if you trade in crypto, anything that you would like to share, you're welcome to do so. Thank you so much for joining in. बोलिए हैदर जी बोलिए. What do you mean? Talk to me. I asked you some questions. Answer to my questions. Oh God. प्रॉब्लम इज कि मैं 3-4 स्क्रीन्स यूज़ कर रही हूँ टू मेक श्योर दैट आई एम एबल टू यूज़ डिफरेंट इंडिकेटर्स, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो हो नहीं पा रहा। 0.5 लेवल पे इसने यहाँ पे एक बाइंग पोजिशन बनी थी गाइस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। दिस इज़ वेयर इट वॉज द गोल्डन जोन दैट वी टॉक अबाउट। तो क्योंकि ना ही ऑन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म, आई मीन ऑन द स्क्रीन, नीदर देर इज अ डबल बॉटम और देर इज अ डबल टॉप दैट इज बीइंग फॉर्म्ड। हाँ, यहाँ पर एक डबल बॉटम ज़रूर बना था इधर की साइड, वेयर इज माई ब्रश। यहाँ डबल बॉटम ज़रूर बना था जिसकी तरफ से प्राइस ऊपर जा रहा है ऑलमोस्ट, बट देर इज no such indication as such that there's any kind of trend reversal. तो at this stage यहाँ पर when it crossed this level, this could have been our buying point. This is where the buying point could have been. तो अभी आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि where and how do we take trade based on the Fibonacci signal. But taking any independent trade based on Fibonacci is not always right. So you have to always cross verify it with some other indicators too. तो ऐसे में आपको पता है मैं डाइवर्जेंस का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, RSI का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ। अभी देखो ये शॉर्ट टर्म पोजीशन के लिए ठीक है, पर ये लॉन्ग टर्म पोजीशन के लिए बिल्कुल भी आइडियल नहीं है, क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी रिस्कियर पोजीशन ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग। अगर फॉर वॉट एवर रीजन अगर यहाँ पर एट दिस लेवल एंड स्टेज अगर इन केस द बाइंग प्रेशर इज नॉट सो स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड द सेलिंग प्रेशर बिकम्स वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, और गलती से यहाँ पर एक फेक ब्रेकआउट होकर अगर ट्रेंड रिवर्सल हो जाता है या प्राइस वुड हैव फर्दर शूटेड डाउन, दैट इट कुड हैव बीन अ वेरी वेरी रिस्की अपोजिशन। तो यहाँ पर देखिए ऑन द 45 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम ये ऑलरेडी बुलिश जोन में चल रहा है, यानी RSI पे 55-56 के बीच में चल रहा है। अगर मैं कम वाले टाइम फ्रेम पे इसको देखूं तो बेसिकली इट इज एट 54.22 5 मिनट्स वाले टाइम फ्रेम पर, देन 15 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पर भी क्लोज टू 54 के आसपास है। 45 मिनट्स वाले पर बेसिकली इट्स एट 55, सो इट्स इन द बुलिश टेरिटरी ओनली। तो इधर इट बिकम्स अ वेरी, अगर right now if the trend continues, the buying is very strong, then probably it might reach, you know, the price may continue to increase more and more. And abhi just हमने देखा कि if the price is going to, because if the price is going to break that resistance level of 3.50, because यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, अगर मैं एक ट्रेंड लाइन उतार लूँ जो कि यहाँ से यहाँ के बीच में 3.52 के पास, ओके, प्राइस ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ तक छूकर वापस जा रहा है। अगर ये ऑन अ वेरी बिगर स्क्रीन में इसको सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस उतार लूं, A small consolidation is happening, is what I just get the feeling, because the price is just trying to shoot this level, which is 3.51, and is trying to, it's just playing in this zone altogether. यहाँ से यहाँ तक ना, सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ खेल ले रहा है प्राइस बस. तो साइडवेज में बस खेल रहा है. यहाँ से पोटेंशियली एक फर्दर ट्रेंड की इंडिकेशन आ रही है. इट लुक्स लाइक दैट द प्राइस माइट टेक एन अपवर्ड ट्रेंड फ्रॉम हियर if it retains, like if the buying pressure is going to remain very strong, then we might expect that the price to basically rally further up. So of course the price is actually so if the price is going to retain this level, see this is just into a range bound thing which is happening. अभी ये sideways में चल रहा है फिलहाल. अगर ये sideways से हटकर अगर एक नया रिवर्सल फॉर्म करेगा, let's just wait and see. Probably it's going to have a new support or a new resistance level. We need to check it in some time. So looks like it's trying to break the support level. Let's see. Looks like the price is getting rejected at that level. Or they try to pull back till 3.47 or something. So there's an indecision candle that has formed. But looks like this is a false breakout until we find it reversing in another direction. Let's see. This is where the 12th closing is. The closing was at 3.44. Looks like it's in a consolidation phase. If I take this from here, either the price will shoot up or down depending on. Hi Tahir, welcome to the stream. Welcome. I hope I'm taking your name correctly. You said your name is Tahir, right? I'm not going to refer you as Joker Man or something. I think you should change your name to Tahir only in your in your Gmail or your YouTube account, whatever. Good to see you. I'm glad to see all my loyal audiences joining the stream one by one. Some of you regularly used to join, some of you don't use, I think in between. I know I can understand, like it's a bit difficult when we talk about joining the streams every day, especially when it's like 4 hours. I know it's not easy. Yes, I do. Yes, of course. We had we talked so much yesterday. So I do remember your name. So I remember all my audiences, my loyal audiences' name. Don't worry about that. So I was happy to see even Nasir today. I was happy to see you today. So whenever you guys, like whoever religiously follows and religiously attends the session, I really appreciate all your time and effort, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys give us. It's very important because these streams are especially made for all you guys, and whenever you guys join as a loyal audience, it's very important to basically, keep in touch, keep watching the streams and things like that. So it's important. Planning to talk today to what do you want to talk? Thank you so much. Thank you. You told me this, you complimented me even yesterday and day before yesterday about it. But okay, fine. I like it. I like when anybody compliments me. It makes my day. So today I started the stream a little later because I think somehow I don't feel so great. Last night whole night I was out. I went to beach, so I had some like great time there. So I somehow feel a bit tired today, and I think I feel a little feverish actually. So that's why I'm not feeling so active today. You might see my face is also very dull, and I don't seem very active and all of that. So, how is your crypto journey, Tahir? How is it? Are you actually able to? Yesterday, I asked you to send me the screenshot. You were not able to do that. You didn't send me the screenshot till now. So, what is happening on that front? Guys, if you want us to guide you at every step and every step of your journey, yeah, but I don't want to. I don't want to burden, like, get used to medicine so much. That's why. It is there, it is there. So I think in the morning I was sending the links to all the people to log in. Guys, it's in the description. You can find this number here. I feel a bit chilly too. I think I need to switch off the AC for some time maybe. You're early today. You joined the stream yesterday between 8 p.m. I guess. 7 to 8 p.m. I think. Okay. You joined early because of me. Guys, if today, because of 21 shares, which is which is an exchange platform, if the ETF of SUI gets approved and it gets the validation out there, then we might see a lot of demand and adoption case increasing for SUI, and the price could surge up to $4.20 is what is being predicted. But somehow, because all these news, all this information, they're all subject to various things, like you can't always 200% always rely on them. I'm not recommending all of you to always be like just relying on the news, because what happens is, like last time we were seeing all optimistic information about this, that, I don't know, like so many things, like it will surge to $5, it will go to $6, this dollar, that dollar. But sudden what do you call, sudden CETUS protocol hack that which happened on 22nd, it completely shook away the market like crazy. So everybody, all of us, including me, in fact, like we were assuming that it might reach till $5. I was so optimistic about it, but unfortunately it didn't go well. And then it took a totally different direction altogether, and I was so shattered that day. So although there might be good newses or some positive newses at times, but we can't always also rely on 200% accurate, or accurately on that. Okay, thank you so much, Tahir, thank you so much for joining in. I hope whatever we discuss here makes sense to you. Do you? Because I know you are coming from a traditional background. You still trade in stock market. So are you even considering the crypto markets? Are you even considering it for any reason? Like, do you want to begin your journey in cryptocurrency? What do you want to do, like? Or you just want to stick to the traditional finance itself? I know there is potential in both of them. I mean, it all depends on person to person. Like, of course, the volatility in stock market is also similar to what we have in crypto, vice versa. Like, a lot of similarities is there, but because why I prefer to trade in crypto rather than in stock markets is because stock markets are time bound, right? They are just 9 to 5, 9 to 4 markets, and I don't really want to have a time frame. So because crypto markets are basically 24/7 markets, I like to basically have trade in crypto because of that reason only. Yeah, you can, because it has definitely a lot of potential. I'm sure you would have watched my streams previously. As you said, you would never followed me before, you never knew I existed. So I hope you were able to see some of my streams of, old days, where I have covered all the, comparisons. Like I did cover all the asset classes between, as compared to BTC and cryptocurrencies and all of that. So hopefully that was helpful for you to kind of get some insights, because recently also I was just playing some videos where Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, and even Donald Trump the Junior, and Eric Trump, some videos I played about them also, where they were talking about what the future of Bitcoin looks like, and what it holds for you. So those things will help you out definitely in making the right kind of decision. Although I'm not doing any kind of financial advice or investment advice, I would want you guys to go do your own research too before you get into any of these things. So I'm neither advising nor I'm telling you guys that you have to get into this or you have to get into that. So do your research. While I kind of whatever information I keep finding or researching, I share that on the stream on the go. So if you find any information which is useful, just note it down, try researching more on it, and if you feel that you have enough information on that, then you can make whatever decision you want to make. So that's what I can say. So looks like the price is just trying to consolidate and is moving in the sideways direction for quite some time. So let's just hope that it has a uptrend from here, and it breaks out to the level of 3.8 or something beyond that, so that we can see some upward rally, like the way we are expecting the ETFs to go live, and a lot of institutional adoption happening on that front. So let's just hope that there is a lot of demand and the buying pressure on that front, and then we see some kind of surge out there. So let's just hope positively, guys. So somehow I can see like very large like the candles, the strong candles out there with the big bodies. They are definitely indicating that the buying is very strong. So if the buyers will remain to be strong, we can expect the price to reach the level that we are trying to. But unfortunately, it's a game of both sellers and buyers, right? So whenever the buyers try to create this pressure, the sellers are always on the go to kind of bring it down. So let's see in this tug of war who is going to win. So there's nothing to learn, I guess, since you were already investing in stock market, or if you were already trading in stock market. I don't think you're going to find anything difficult out there, because the fundamentals, the technical analysis, or whatever the basics of it is going to remain anyways. It's just that now it all depends on what kind of project you're picking up in crypto, and from there you can basically think of whatever you want to, pick up like that. So that is what I can say. Oh my God. So guys, anybody who is switching from traditional finance, because I also belong to traditional finance actually. Uh, as I told you about all my background, my career, my education and everything, even I belong to traditional finance. And I think at some point in time, each one of us was from traditional finance. So switching from traditional finance to something like this is not going to make much difference, given that yes, there are some technological things which basically are that we need to understand the jargons, the terminologies and things like that. But other than that, there is nothing new or rocket science out here. It's just the fundamentals and technical stuff that we need to know, and we are good to go. Like if you want to trade, a strong fundamental project with a project with strong fundamentals is good enough to begin your journey. So I think that's what matters. So I think Tahir, you need to stick to the topic and not get into any kind of flirting out here, because this is an official channel and I work for a company where basically we talk about cryptos and related things and financial products. So let's just stick to that topic and not get in anywhere personal, please. Thank you so much though, but I appreciate your compliments and everything, but I would want you guys to stick to the topics that we talk about so that it doesn't breach breach any kind of rule regulation out here. No problem. No problem. It's okay. I think most of the people, when they start out their journey, they like to start their journey with BTC only. But that's totally fine. It's all up to you guys. What makes you comfortable? What makes you think which project is good enough for you? Like I was mentioning, the other aspects of it is anyways going to remain same. However, if you pick up one right project, one right cryptocurrency, that's good enough for all of this. What's Cubex? I'm not sure what's Cubex. X cube. I'm not still aware of what is X cube. Is it some crypto exchange platform or something, or is it some? Notification? What notification? Where did I cancel it? Where do you mean? on this platform. I don't know. Anyways, guys, just hold on for a second. I would want to take a small 5 minutes break and I'll be back in 5 minutes. Stay tuned until I am back, okay? So sorry, guys. Oh, yeah, so I am back. Guys, I'm so tired. Yay! It's broken the resistance level. Finally, I'm so happy. Someday I think even I should start trading in Bitcoin. I don't know, somehow I didn't trade in Bitcoin all this while, right? So I wanted to name this, but I didn't. So sorry guys to keep you guys waiting, and I am back, and I hope you guys are not so angry on me because I really needed a break. I was like online for like I think 1.5 hours, and basically I needed some small break. So hopefully, yeah. See, this is what I was talking. I hope so that it reaches the 3.8 level that we are talking about. Just a sec. What's wrong? Why is my mouse acting funny? I don't know. I'm trying to draw this line. So basically, this was my support and it crossed, sorry, this was my resistance and it crossed the resistance line, which I'm happy. Oh, okay. So share us the experience of how do you trade actually. You said you trade in you trade in stock markets, right? So uh, like the way I fundamentally do few things, is it the same way you also do the things, or you know how just a sec. I'm actually okay. I haven't traded in futures actually, futures or options, but I would like to explore that option someday. I think I need to learn. Probably you'll teach me how to trade in. Okay. So I'm good with, I think, spot market, but I'm not too sure about how the futures or options work for. But I need to try that out actually. Someday I'll try. So yeah, you can teach me, no worries. How like how much experience do you have in in futures? Yeah, I know. I think in futures and options, you kind of take this leverage and all of that, right? So that's why it becomes riskier, I believe. Yeah, I haven't ever tried it though, but someday maybe I'm going to try that. But let's just stick to spot trading as of now. I don't, I mean, I don't want to get into too many things at one point in time, right? So let's see. Yeah, we can talk it over here. Where do you want to have the chat or talk, whatever you're talking about? Oh, did my Fibonacci get deleted or what? Oh, looks like it got deleted. No worries, I'll draw a new one. So this was my new high, right? From this low. Where do you want to talk? Where do you want to talk in the sense you want to come to my office and talk? Yes, let's just see. I hope this will retrace back. The price will retrace back. I hope it has a new high altogether. Let's just hope whatever the predictions are like of reaching 3.8, it reaches that today. So yeah, I got your point, but where do you want to talk? Do you want to come to office and talk? What do you want to like? Be clear. I am not getting you, Tahir. So the price has retraced back from 0.382%. Sorry, which is like 38.2%. So, oh God. So the price was trying to create a high, but looks like the buying pressure is not so strong somehow. Okay. Maybe in some time I might play some news or something. Let's see, okay? Oh, okay. I can let you know. I'm not too sure if that's allowed for me, due uh, as it is allowed or not in my office. But I can let you know if that's possible or not. Okay. So, guys, this is what I was talking about. So, the price was consolidating from this end. This is where it was consolidating all this while. So, between what was this candle for? This was for 12:31 until this level, which is 14:29, which is almost like 2.5 hours. So this timing is as per the UTC, which is like unified I think, what does it stand for? Unified time coordinated, something like that. Yeah. So this is not Dubai time, of course. Dubai time is 6:34 right now, but as per UTC it's 2:34. So basically, between 12:30 to 2:30 is what it was just in consolidation phase for almost 2 hours altogether. So after that, it saw a breakout. Definitely, we made a new support and resistance out there, and after the support and resistance, like after the resistance got broken, you can see the price is trying to create a new high altogether. So the market looks like too volatile at the moment. Yeah, thank you so much. Sometimes so many things I have to say, and then I kind of, forget some of the things, like, or I say something totally different altogether. I know unified. What is it? What is it? Unified. Sorry, coordinated universal time. Yeah, thank you so much for telling me. What was I? Yeah, sometimes like you are juggling between so many things. It does happen. Although I know I know the thing UTC, but then kind of sometimes it slips the mind. Oh God. Whoa, look at that spike. Shit, that's such a big move, right? Hi Shahid, yeah, I'm good. Thank you so much for joining in. I live here only, near my office. Thank you so much. Thank you for complimenting. Thank you, Shahid, for joining in. Thank you. Thanks for all your wishes. Guys, hopefully, whoever is joining these streams are using my link to download the app, Zbit app that's available. Hopefully, you guys are doing that. So I just believe that there is going to be a trend reversal at the moment because there's a double top that's being formed here, like you can see. From here till here. So it might be a trend reversal. What are your opinions? What do you guys think? Will there be a trend reversal? Tahir, the question is for you since you actually trade in stock markets. What are your thought processes on the technical analysis part of it? So, what do you think? Will there be a trend reversal or what do you think looking at this present scenario? So the price has reached, okay, let me remove the previous Fibonacci and then try to fix a new one. Okay, I'll put a new Fibonacci. I'll take this low to this high. Okay. So this is my golden ratio, golden zone. However, it has crossed that zone altogether. So whenever it crosses the Fibonacci 0.5 level, that's where your buying opportunity lies. This zone, which is 0.618, 0.786, is what can be utilized for buying. But until unless there's a confirmation of the breakout, as in like there's a trend reversal or something, we need to ascertain that also, which is very, very important. And how do you do that? You also need to check it on various other indicators to make sure whether there's going to be a trend reversal or not. See, you can see on the RSI, basically it's above the neutral zone. But let me see if I can put MACD and check what it looks like for it. So MACD, you can see clearly MACD has crossed the red line here, the signal line, and the histograms on the lower side, you can see the strong histograms, the red color histograms, and the weakening of the momentum here, which is like the light red color is clearly indicating the momentum is trying to weaken out here. So, but RSI, this is RSI on 45 minutes time frame, guys. We need to also check it out on different time zones to be sure that, whoa, what has happened actually? This one doesn't seem to be in right direction altogether. I don't know, something is wrong. I'm not looking at it anyways. Don't look at this. We'll look at this one because this is what we created, right? So this is better for me. Sure, no worries, Tahir. Take your time. I asked you a question, Tahir, and you didn't answer me. Since you trade in stock markets, I want you guys to respond to me if, basis whatever analysis we do here on the platform, what do you think could be the next move? Will there be a trend reversal, or do you think there'll be a new breakout, or still the prices will continue to go up, or what exactly do you think? So basis the indicators, I can feel that the momentum is breaking. Although the buyers are trying to sustain the price, they're trying to put take it above, but the selling pressure is so high that the price is not able to retain at that level. We can see the momentum is weakening out there. I also have to see the volume indicator, so let's see. We haven't checked that indicator, so that's something we need to cross verify it with. So let's just wait and watch the markets for some time. Meanwhile, I'll just play my game for some time, maybe.
Let's take a quick tour of some of the security features the Gravity.
تعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي من
My level is crossed. Yeah. So as per MACD, it has reached the bearish territory already. So because this is an overlap time for both London and New York markets, looks like there's like too much of volatility in the market right now. Oh God. This is on the 45 minutes frame, but I usually prefer to keep it like 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It's given a bad signal on the RSI divergence. But MACD is again, it has crossed the signal line, and there's an overlap. Somehow it looks like the green histograms are becoming strong. That's a strong momentum signal. Okay, there's a light green momentum. Weakening of the momentum basically. So guys, whoever is joining the streams, I hope you guys are using my referral link to kind of uh, get your own, just a sec. Use this link to register, whoever has joined the stream, to register on the Zbit app, because we are now officially available, and this is my referral code. Guys who are online, please log into the app using the link that I have sent in the chat room. Let's simultaneously put some news. Maybe we can watch some Trump news if we have, because My God, what kind of volatility it is having? Crazy volatility, seriously. It's an overlapping time for both London and New York time, right? So looks like there's way too much of activity that's happening right now. So, guys, whoever is online, I have sent my referral code and my referral link. Use that to log in to register on Zbit platform and stand the chance to basically earn free cryptos. Basically, you will be earning USDT as commissions in case you send these links or refer a friend to a lot of friends, family, anybody. It's a passive way of making income. So even if you haven't started your journey in crypto, this is the best way to make passive income.
وتعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي وتعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي من إمارة أبو ظبي اللي دخلوا مجال تخصص أورام الأطفال. You will see the
I blocked my game. Again, I did wrong. Hmm. I want to move this green one actually, no? I think I did a mistake again. I need to play.
By proxying Kafka with the gravity Kafka gate.
Mm, I am not able to understand. Shall I try to do this? Mm-hmm. No, doesn't work out that way. Oh my god, finally I got it right. After so many tries.
وتعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات.
Secoon's marine and aviation insurance plans offer protection tailored to your operational needs.
No, that won't work. Yeah, I told you, right? My health is not good and I'm a bit tired too. I don't know, I'm not able to find my solution. Yeah.
تعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيين.
Somehow I'm not able to win this.
Accidents
I
happen,
have
but
another
with
half an hour
Secure's
and I need
24/7
to.
claims registration, real-time updates, and premium.
Again getting stuck. No, nobody has said, sorry, nobody has said that to me. I'm so sorry. I have to restart.
وتعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات. وتعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي من إمارة أبو ظبي اللي دخلوا مجال تخصص أورام الأطفال. He will see the wound, he will examine it, and then he will see if he needs.
But I don't come here to sleep actually, so. Sixth to fifth. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. You made my life easy. My God. Such a task. Wish to keep it easier. What you wish to keep easier? Somehow I'm getting there. He would be lucky. Why would he be lucky? Who would be lucky means for what? I think I messed up the game.
Accidents happen, but with Sukoon's 24/7 claims registration, real-time updates, and premium
Who would be lucky? For what?
تعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي من إمارة أبو ظبي اللي دخلوا مجال تخصص أورام الأطفال.
Somehow I thought I won this game, but I think I did some mistake. Okay. This is where I'm getting stuck all the time now. From where do I get the blue? Blue and pink, where do I get it? And orange. Orange, I can move it here. Blue also, I think I can move. Thank you so much for complimenting. Although I don't feel so lucky, I feel just normal. Thanks for all the compliments. Oh my god, it's so much. So many tries, I got it finally right.
تعلمت من كل الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل. من أوائل الإماراتيات اللي من
I think this level was easy. Your wish has come true, Tahe. Your wish has come true. Somehow this level was very easy. Now level 35. Mm, I think if somehow I tried to take. Got stuck. Is there a way out that I can? No, I need to restart. Ah, God. Mm, oh my God, what is wrong with you actually? Why are you, why are you talking or flirting so much? This is a crypto platform, by my dear. This is not my personal channel. Why are you flirting with me so much? Okay, I found the way. Yes, that's what I was thinking. Okay, how do I get this sorted? Uh-huh. Oh my God. What a relief, seriously. Yay, I won, I won. I don't have any personal channel, honestly
تعلمت من كل
speaking.
الأطفال إنه ما في شيء مستحيل.
Guys, let's keep this conversation restricted to crypto and financial products and trading and everything. Yeah, I know I won. Some levels are like way too nice and easy and good. Oh no, I think I did. Oops, oops, oops. I locked myself. I think. Redo. My full name is Nida Afreen. Getting onto this level, I think I'm getting stuck. Yeah, Nida Afreen. Oh shit. Yeah, I solved it. Good. Tahir, you did not send me the screenshot till now for signing up on the platform. This is not good at all, trust me. So we haven't watched the market for quite some time. Oh my god, look at that. My Fibonacci level is gone somewhere else only. I need to delete this and put again. I think this new high is good for me. What? What high? No, I'm not allowed. So last 10 minutes and the session is going to end. Whoever has joined the stream and is joining the stream, I wish you guys to basically continue watching. Thanks for showing all the love, support. Please share these streams and link with everyone who you think can benefit out of it and help and support us. I think if I move this here. Oh god, it got stuck, I think. Yeah, I think. Oh my god, so many levels I've crossed. Look at this, I have come to 37th level. So I'll play this tomorrow. We are anyways heading towards the
تعلمت
end
من
of the
كل
session.
الأطفال إنه ما في شيء
So let's
مستحيل.
just watch the market. Looks like
من أوائل
the
الإماراتيات
momentum
أو
is really
إمارة أبو
good today.
ظبي اللي
The
دخلوا
market is
مجال
volatile.
تخصص
It's
أورام
moving in
الأطفال.
good direction
He would see the
altogether.
wound, he would examine it, and then he would
So
see if he needs to change stitches or.
hopefully if the selling pressure is going to continue, sorry, the buying pressure continues, then let's just hope it reaches 3.8. That is what we are aiming at. So I think the market today is at what level? It's one right now it's at 1.97 only. But if there's a sudden surge, like maybe if it goes to 8-9% market, it's possible. Thank you so much. I wanted to play this news, but unfortunately I didn't get time. I was actually got so busy with my game today. I was actually I'm very excited that I'm able to win so many, you know, levels actually. So I'm anyways not going to play now. That's okay. So overall, all the cryptos look positive. Ethereum is also 7.57% up. Wow. Yeah, actually, I was very tired today, so I'm not able to talk much of crypto. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to because I'm back to back working for 12 days, right? I don't have any off in between. So since I think almost third or fourth, I'm continuously working and I'm working till 15th of this month. So 12 back to back working days without any off. That's why you see me like, I'm a bit sometimes too tired in terms of like because like Yash is also not there, he's gone to India. So our co-host, he's not available, he is in India, so that's the reason you see I'm working like 12 days continuously. So that's why sometimes I'm a bit too tired of all these things. Same time, 4 to 8 Dubai time. I always come during this time only. So looks like all the cryptos are in positive, including SUI. SUI is at 1.97% only. But let's just hope it reaches some 8-10% because of late we haven't seen SUI like having some really exponential, like some great growth, especially after the CETUS protocol hack. I didn't see it rising much to that level. So let's just hope that today no flirting, strictly not allowed. You just have to stick to the topics and you just have to stick to the crypto and financial markets. Maybe on the channel you can, because you have experience in stock market, you can teach all of us some basics of whatever you know, because we welcome our guest to make sure that we can like if there's anybody who would like to share the knowledge and experience, they can do so on our platform. So yeah. Which topic? I didn't see you talking anything related to crypto or stock market or anything. Hmm. No worries. That's good. That's good. That's good to hear that you have good amount of experience. So yes, sure. Take care of yourself, guys. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for being the interactive and live audience. Do make sure that you like, subscribe, and also share our platform with everyone who you think can benefit out of this. And also make sure that you use my referral code to be able to log into Zbit platform and share it with all your friends, family, everybody, so that each one of them makes the best use out of it. So I will catch with you tomorrow at the same time between 4 to 8 p.m. Dubai time. Hopefully we'll have something more exciting coming towards your way. Yeah, I know at times I'm a bit sleepy, I'm a bit tired and whatnot because I'm working tirelessly for 10-12 days continuously. So I hope you guys will spare me for all the nonsense that I do on the platform. But let's just stick to the topic and let's just stick towards the platform. We talk about cryptocurrency and we talk about maybe all these things only. So guys, I'm going to wind up. Maybe I'm going to just switch off the camera, but I'll play the video for another 10 minutes and then I will be winding up this session because it's time. I actually have to leave. But then because I started the stream 10 minutes late, so I'll play the video for another 10 minutes and you guys can have a look at it while I'm actually gone. Take care of yourself. Have a great evening. And anything that is discussed in these videos are nowhere financial advice or investment advice. So please, crypto markets are highly volatile. So if in case you're interested in investing or trading or whatever, you have to do your own research before you get onto it. So please don't get into crypto just because of FOMO or because of the hype, but make sure that you do your own research completely and get into this. So take care of yourself, guys. I will see you tomorrow and at the same time between 4 to 8 p.m. Dubai time. So bye bye.
Of the 10 drugs that negotiated are now over 200% more expensive in America than the rest of the world and far more expensive than when he even got involved. Much more expensive than when he got involved. Joe Biden's plan was as you know, because you wrote about it, you don't say it very loudly, but it was a very big failure, was his whole presidency. First, I'm directing the U.S. trade representatives and Department of Commerce to begin investigations into foreign nations that extort drug companies by blocking their products unless they accept bottom line and very low dollar amounts for their product, unfairly shifting the cost burden onto American patients. And we'll be taking a look at that very strongly. The biggest thing we're going to do is we're going to tell those countries, like those represented by the European Union, that, that game is up, sorry. And if they want to get cute, then they don't have to sell cars into the United States anymore. It's a very big subject. And they won't get cute, because I'll defend the drug companies from that standpoint. They were given a price by the European unions and other countries. This is what you do. This is what we're going to pay. We're not going to pay any more. Let America pay the difference, because there was a big shortfall. Let America pay it. And that's what we did, but we're not doing it anymore. Next, my administration will secure what we're calling most favored nations drug pricing. The principle is simple. Whatever the lowest price paid for a drug in other developed countries, that is the price that Americans will pay. And we're using the term other developed countries because there are some countries that need some additional help, and that's fine. I think that's very good. Some prescription drug and pharmaceutical prices will be reduced almost immediately by 50 to 80 to 90%. Big Pharma will either abide by this principle voluntarily or will use the power of the federal government to ensure that we are paying the same price as other countries. To accelerate these price restrictions and reductions, my administration will also cut out the middlemen. We're going to totally cut out the famous middlemen. Nobody knows who they are, middlemen. I've been hearing the term for 25 years, middlemen. I don't know who they are, but they're rich. That I can tell you. We're going to cut out the middlemen and facilitate the direct sale of drugs at the most favored nation price directly to the American citizen. So we're cutting out, Bobby, the middlemen. It's so important, right? Got to do that. It's very smart business people, that I can tell you. If companies make no significant progress toward most favored nation pricing, which we will insist that they do, so I think I'm wasting time talking about it. We're going to insist upon it. And we'll insist, and we're going to help the drug companies with the other nations, because those other nations do a lot of trading with us. They need our trade just like China needed us very badly. They need us just as badly. We will do whatever we have to with trade, just like we did some great things with trade with India and Pakistan. Really helped the situation, very heated situation. Could have lost millions of people, more than millions. I mean, many millions of people. And